bulletin board can help you become a better artist. There's all different types of posters explaining different techniques, and the color wheel explaining different types of color families. The classroom expectations and consequences are listed, as well as the grading sheet. Look, I have a new cabinet filled with awesome art supplies. Over here, we have the pencil sharpener, free draw, markers, and tissues. Everything in the supply closet is very neat and labeled. If you need oil pastels, we have oil pastels. You can find them in the pull-out drawers. Also in the supply closet is a drawer for each grade and each teacher. So if you're in Miss Spitalerri's class in kindergarten, you have your own pull-out drawer. All artwork will be located here for your class. Oh, the lovely pencil sharpener. Only have your pencil in there for 5 seconds. It really does the job. And do not put your fingers in there. This is kind of like my corner of the classroom. There's the cutting board with the paper and my desk. Please don't go near the cutting board. It is very dangerous. Here we have more supply cabinets filled with paper and other supplies. We have the 7 elements of art, which we will be talking about a lot this year. A brand new wonderful smart TV. And we also have an area where I sit to show you how to draw certain things. And then above me will be the different projects that you will be working on depending on your grade. And this is the painting sink, where all of your palettes and dirty brushes will go. And this is the painting table, where all the paint is, and there definitely is a lot of storage. We have the watercolor area. If you pull out that drawer, you will see tons of watercolors. And then if you go towards the bottom, you will see all the palettes. They are labeled, so you know what's inside each drawer. And the hand washing sink. This is not for paint. That was for the other sink. This is strictly for you to wash your hands or grab paper towels to clean up a table. And that is the tour of the art room. I hope you had a great time looking at all the different things, where supplies are, where to wash your hands. This is a great space and I can't wait to create with you.